We were very surprised at how professional and how nice it turned out, and how much better our view is when we are at the lake and enjoying this. Hi, my name is Ryan Roberry, and I've been asked to share our project that we did. Our project was a little unique in the fact that the deck we replaced sits on top of a boathouse. And so the reason I ended up choosing Muzata was because I had to find a product that allowed me to mount all of the posts on the outside of my deck. Our old railing had a bunch of spindles that were a few inches apart, and it really greatly obstructed your view from the lake when you were sitting in the deck, because this is honestly our favorite place to be at the lake. It took us about 2 full days to do the railing installation. It took us 1 day to do the posts and all of the handrail, and then the second day we ran all of the cable. It actually went a lot easier than I thought it was going to go. Muzata was great with the blueprints they sent out. They had everything marked, and that helped greatly with what we did. You know, I had to email customer service a couple times before we started our product, and Muzata was great. They got right back to us. It went smooth, and we could not be happier with the result. In fact, my expectations were that it was going to be a lot harder than it was, and it went a lot smoother than I thought it was going to go. Basically, some things that I found that helped us out. Before we started, we marked everything and we laid all of our posts out first. Once we had all the posts laid out, we then laid out all the hand railing just to make sure that we had everything and that everything was going to line up. And once we were confident with that, then we started with doing the posts. I would say all of these posts took us about 6 hours to install, and then about another 5 to 6 hours to get all the hand railings on. The other thing we found was to make sure you have plenty of tap bits for your drill so that you can put in those millimeter screws underneath. But honestly, once you have everything marked, we took the handrail off and we would drill through everything, and it went on fairly simple for a project of this size. Other thing we found that helped out a lot when you're running the cable, we found you have all of the tensioners, and there's all these tiny little screws on them. We went in and with the little Allen key started all the little tiny screws for the tensioner cables in those tensioner ends. So we had everything started and it goes together really slick. Some of the biggest challenges we faced were honestly not too many. Getting some of the corners to line up. This being an old deck and leaving the substructure as is, while it's not exactly 100% straight as if we'd started building on our own. Because of that, some of the corners where they lined up, there was a little tiny bit of a gap. And what we found to do, once we had the corners tightly together, we put a couple extra screws underneath, and that held it perfectly tight together. I did this with my father, and many times we just stood back and we were shocked at how professional and how good it looks and how simple it was to put together. Our neighbors came over when it was done and they were shocked. Many comments out, said the best looking deck on the lake. We have a much smaller little deck on the side of our cabin that we are now going to redo next spring and use the same railing because we couldn't be happier with how it turned out.